Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here a question that is called as what here the different types of preparation of amide. So amide are prepared with the help of a carboxylic acid. It is a chemical reaction of carboxylic acids. Okay. So the question is that laboratory test of carboxylic acid. It means how to identify the which chemical contain a carboxylic acid called as the laboratory test for the determination of carboxylic acid. ओके बेटा, तो ये क्वेश्चन है बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन आपको स्टडी नहीं करना है क्योंकि ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये आपको रिड्यूस हुआ है, ठीक है। ये जो आपका कोविड-19 की वजह से जो सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुआ है, तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है आपका लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ये आपको स्टडी नहीं करना है, यानी ये क्वेश्चन पे आपको मतलब जो है तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। क्लियर है बेटा। सो लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ये क्वेश्चन आपको रिड्यूस करना है, मतलब स्टडी नहीं करना है आपको, इसलिए मैं आपको यहाँ पर नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ। उसके आगे का जो टॉपिक है, क्या टॉपिक है, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ असाइल क्लोराइड, ये टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। क्लियर है बेटा। जो लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जो आपका सब टॉपिक है, ये जो आपका टॉपिक है ये आपको स्टडी नहीं करना है, ये सिलेबस में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा आपको इस पर, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये कोविड-19 की वजह से रिड्यूस हुआ, ठीक है। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज दैट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ असाइल क्लोराइड, इट मीन्स how to prepare acyl chloride, which is the formula R single bond C double bond O Cl, it is called as the acyl chloride. How to prepare acyl chloride? So the acyl chloride are prepared with the help of the reaction with what here, the reaction with SOCl2 called as thionyl chloride, PCl3 called as phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 called as phosphorus pentachloride. So with the help of these three chemical we prepared acyl chloride when these three chemical is contact with a carboxylic acid. Clear है बेटा। So we started here the reaction first with a SOCl2 called as the thionyl chloride or what here the SOCl2. So when the SOCl2 called as the thionyl chloride is react with what indicated RCOH, this RCOH called as a carboxylic acid. So when this carboxylic acid is a react with SOCl2 called as what here thionyl chloride, what we get? So all these reaction in which the breaking of OH bond or breaking of the C single bond OH or replacement of OH from the alcohol are take acid are take place and addition of the what here different group are added, ठीक है बेटा। तो यहाँ से आपको जो भी रिएक्शन दिखेगी, तो यहाँ पर जो RCOH का जो बॉन्ड है बेटा OH वो मतलब क्या होगा, लॉस होगा, यानी कि रिमूव होगा और वहाँ पे दूसरा ग्रुप ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। So here these RCOH means carboxylic acid react with SOCl2. So in this reaction this OH is replaced by Cl. So what we get RCOCl plus remaining part are joined together what here. So remaining part this O, this S and this O, what we lost here SO2 called as a sulfur dioxide and remaining HCl. Okay. So in this way we prepared a carboxylic acid with the help of the SOCl2 to form the what here the acyl chloride. Clear. So when the when the SOCl2 react with carboxylic acid in which the OH is removed and to form the what acyl chloride RCOCl. Second example here, this R is replaced by CH3, so it is called what here beta? So it is called as acetic acid, short form AA called as acetic acid. Okay. CH3 acetic acid react with SOCl2. Similarly, this OH are break and this one Cl are removed. So what we get here? This CH3COCl plus same SO2 gas and loss of HCl gas. It is also called what? It is called what here? It is acyl chloride. It is called what here? It is called as acetyl chloride. What here? Acetyl chloride. Clear beta? Similarly, third example. So when the benzoic acid, short form of BA, this BA called as the benzoic acid is react to SOCl2, what we get similarly, this OH is removed or will be replaced by 1Cl. So what we get here? We get C6H5COCl plus SO2 plus HCl. ठीक है बेटा। So it is called as what here? The benzoyl chloride. It is called as a what here? Acyl chloride is called by acetyl chloride. याद रखो बेटा नियम, acyl chloride, acetyl chloride here what here? Benzoyl chloride. Okay, BNZOYL, benzoyl chloride. For the reaction number 2 here, so when the carboxylic acid is react with PCl3, this PCl3 called what here? Phosphorus trichloride. So what we get reaction? So 3 molecule of the carboxylic acid is react with what here? PCl3 called as the phosphorus trichloride. So what we get reaction? Similarly, this OH is removed by 3Cl. So what we get? 3RCO as it is, and this 3 OH is removed by the what? Replaced by the Cl. So what we get here? RCOCl called what here? The alkyl chloride, plus remaining part what here? This P, this O, how many O? This 1 O, and what we get here? This 3 O, and this 1 P, PO3 and H, how many here? 3. So what we get here? We get here POH by 3. So it is called as what here? The acyl chloride. Now example, this R is replaced by the what here? CH3. It is called as what here? Acetic acid. Is react with PCl3. Similar reaction, this R will be replaced by what here? 3CH3, then COCl, and loss of POH3 by 3. So in this way, when the carboxylic acid react with SOCl2, what we get? Acyl chloride. Similarly, when the reaction of carboxylic acid with what here? PCl3, so we get also the acyl chloride. अब example change करना है आपको, ठीक है? Okay. Now we do next example here. Reaction with PCl5, because we did 3 reaction. So PCl5 called what here? Phosphorus pentachloride. So what we get reaction beta? So similarly, this 1 OH is replaced by 1 Cl. So we get our product is called what here? So we get RCO as it is, then Cl, remaining part are joined together. So this RCOCl plus POCl3 plus POCl3 plus HCl. Now to balance these reactions, so how many are? So 1 R, this CO, this 1 OH plus Cl. So what we get remaining Cl? 4 Cl. So 3 Cl plus 1 Cl, what we get? 4 Cl. Remaining part what here? 1 H, this 1 H. How many remaining O? This 1 O, we get here 1 O. So it is called what here? It is called phosphine chloride, and we get prepared what here? Acyl chloride. What do we get here? Acyl chloride. So in this way, we prepared what here beta? The acyl chloride with the help of what here? The carboxylic acid. Now next reaction, it is very important reaction. Reaction with ammonia. It means how the ammonia react with carboxylic acid and what we get. So when the carboxylic acid, okay, so when the carboxylic acid this react with what here beta? React with ammonia. So what we get? So in this reaction we get what here? So now we balance the reactions. Okay. So when the carboxylic acid is react with ammonia, so in this reaction this NH3 as it is, this 1H attached to the NH3, so H3 plus 1, what we get? NH4, and NH4 are attached to the C. What we get here first? We get RCOO as it is, NH3 plus 1, what we get? NH4. Now this NH4 further on loss of water molecule called as the H2O, 2H and this 1O, what we get remaining? RCO NH2 and loss of water molecule. It is called what here? But amide. It means when the action of what here? The carboxylic acid with ammonia, it form the amide. Clear hai beta? Okay. Similarly, this R replaced by CH3. So what we get? We get, now this question is very important. ये आपको solve करना है, ये होमवर्क रहेगा आपको. When the acetic acid is react with ammonia, what we get product? ये आपको solve करना है बेटा. It is called what here बेटा? Acetic acid. क्लियर है? बस R रिप्लेस किया हमने CH3 बेटा, बाकी आपको पूरा सेम निकालना है. यानी पहले आपको H को यहाँ शिफ्ट करना है तो NH4 बन जाएगा. NH4 को 2 बार कहाँ शिफ्ट करना है आपको? O के पास, तो बन गया NH4. इसमें से 2H 1O को लॉस किया, H2 रिमेनिंग पॉइंट जॉइन किया तो अमाइड बन गया. अभी आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज द नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट? नाउ कंप्यूट द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन. Here the only one COH group, carboxylic group. Here how many COH group? 2 COH group here. So how to complete the following reactions? So now we take the answer here. So it is, first of all, it is called what here? It is called as the phthalic acid. it contain a 2 carboxylic group, phthalic acid. So 1 molecule of carboxylic acid, so 1 molecule ammonia. Here 2 molecule of carboxylic acid, so we get what here? 2 molecule of ammonia. Clear hai? So what we get first? Similarly, this one NH, NH3 shifted to this H, remaining NH3 shifted to this H. So what we get? We get a first complex, means this COO as it is, this 1H and this NH3, what we take here? NH4. Similarly, this CO as it is, NH3 1H, what we get? NH4. Now loss of the twice H2O molecule, it means each ammonium compound, it is called what here beta? It is a positive charge, it is negative charge, it is ammonium compound. So each ammonium group loss are what here? Water molecule. So one water from this 2H1O and one from this 2H1O, what we lost? Loss of minus 2H2O. So remaining part are what we get? Benzene as it is, this CO as it is, this CO also as it is NH plus loss of water molecule. The compound is called what? It is called a thalamide. Thalamide. And this thalamide is very important. You know, in amines, जो हमने यूनिट पढ़ा बेटा amines में preparation of thalamide. What here? The preparation of what here? The amines with the help of thalamides और गिबरेलिन टेस्ट फॉर द amines. ये पढ़ा हमने, ठीक है? तो भी क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर रह देगा, ठीक है? इस तरीके से हमने रिएक्शन सॉल्व किया बेटा. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन. नाउ it is called about thalamide or amides. Now the amides also prepared with the help of when the amine also prepared with the help of when the acyl chloride. What is beta? Acyl chloride react with ammonia. So when the acyl chloride, it means देखो समझ में आया बेटा आपको, यानी कहने का मतलब अमाइड्स हम लोग विद द हेल्प ऑफ कार्बो ऑक्सिलिक एसिड से भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं या फिर विद द हेल्प ऑफ असाइल क्लोराइड से भी. यानी दिस कार्बो ऑक्सिलिक एसिड इज replaced by the acyl chloride. So we also prepared the amides. So when acyl chloride react with ammonia, so what we get here? So in this reaction, similarly, this Cl is replaced and 1H is replaced. So loss of HCl. So what we get? We get here RCONH2 and loss of HCl molecule. तो हम यहाँ बेटा आपको यहाँ से 1H लॉस किया और यहाँ से Cl लॉस किया, तो what we lost here? HCl. So we get what here? RCONH2 got what here? Amide. So in this way we finish the what here? The question is that what is the chemical reaction of the carboxylic acid, or what is the action of what here? The SOCl2 PCl3 PCl5 with carboxylic acid, or formation of acyl chloride by using reaction of carboxylic acid with SOCl2 PCl3 and PCl5. Clearly. Similarly, reaction with amides. So reaction with reaction with ammonia. So when the ammonia react with the carboxylic acid to form the amides, and this carboxylic acid replaced by what here? The acyl chloride. We also get the amides. So very important reaction. ठीक है, इस तरीके से बेटा हमने ये इसमें ये जो सब टॉपिक है इसमें स्टडी किया. ठीक है, तो लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड आपको ये पढ़ना नहीं है, रिड्यूस हुआ सिलेबस में. रिमेनिंग जो पोर्शन आपको स्टडी करने हैं. ओके, इजी टॉपिक है. केमिकल रिएक्शन कहाँ पे हो रही है, और सभी रिएक्शन में OH को हम लोग क्या करें? रिप्लेस करें. स्पेशली SOCl2 में PCl3 में हम लोग क्या करें? कार्बोक्सिलिक के OH को रिप्लेस करें Cl से. ठीक है, और ये जो रिएक्शन अमोनिया के साथ में, तो यहाँ पे पहले अमोनिया को अमोनिया में चेंज कर रहे हैं और वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लॉस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, अगर एक CO ग्रुप है COH तो वहाँ एक NH3 डालेगी, अगर 2 COH ग्रुप है तो वहाँ 2 NH3 ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.